Ihlulekile imizamo yesiphakamiso sokungayethembi iMeya yomkhandlu waseMangaung uOlly Mlamleli. Lokhu kuza emva kokuthi amakhansela eANC angu54 avote aphikisana nalesiphakamiso abekade ebhekene namakhansela angu34 eDA neEFF kwathi amabili akuhoxisa ukuvota kwawo. Lesiphakamiso silethwe iDA emva kokuthi lomkhandlu wafakwa kuvobe iMoody's waseke ubekwa ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli.
iDA icele ukuba kuvote ngokuyimfihlo kuze kuvikelwe amakhansela angasatshiswa. Kepha usomlomo uphikisana lesiphakamiso kwase kuvota kuphakanyiswa izandla. Amaqembu aphikisayo awenemeneze.
I am actually surprised, and it's probably naive of me to say I'm surprised. I'm surprised that the speaker, because he's supposed to protect not only the councillors but the citizens of this metro. This metro is a disaster. We have the administrator just on our left, just to prove in what a terrible situation we are under.
ANC councillors are dishonest councillors. Outside the chamber, they always speak the way they don't understand how the mayor operates, and they don't want to work with her. Even some close friends in the ANC today, they were saying she's going. Now I was shocked to see the same people that I spoke, they did not even vote.
Freedom Front Plus did support the motion because we realized that this metro is really insolvent. The metro has no management and there is no political leadership.
Kubonakale ubumbano eqenjeni iANC eMangaung nokuguqule isicelo sesifunda seANC mothewo kuba yehle esikhundleni iMeya.
It was premature for them to go to the media and say the mayor must go without engaging all the relevant stakeholders and knowing that the national is the final arbiter on the executive mayors of metros in all the metros.
Songokwesibili ibhuntsha imizamo yokuqomba phansi uMlamleli. Isiphakamiso sokuqala sokungayethembi ubuholi bakhe saphakanyiswa iEFF ngo-2018.